Immerse yourself in the magic of petrified forests, where ancient trees have morphed into stone over millions of years. Picture this: Petrified Forest National Park in Arizona, USA, or the Petrified Forest of Lesvos in Greece. These fossilized forests capture a moment in prehistoric ecosystems frozen in time. Now imagine scientists unlocking Earth's distant past by studying these petrified remnants. Every detail, every grain sheds light on our planet's climate, flora, and the processes that turn these once living giants into stone. Envision each piece of petrified wood, a time capsule revealing the natural history of our planet millions of years ago. Petrified forests, a testament to the passage of time etched in stone for eternity. Explore the extraordinary and the ordinary through the lens of time,